Casa de la Playa is in a completely different class of its own. It is seriously the most amazing resort I have ever stayed at. I'm not even kidding when I tell you the first time we stayed there and we left, I almost cried. Like, I literally got emotional. It's so amazing. There is so many things about it that make it amazing, but there's also just a lot of things about it that make it like really special. It is an extremely peaceful resort. It's adults only, but it's a very, very peaceful environment. You go there expecting extreme relaxation, enjoyment of the parks and different activities, fantastic food. Some of the best chefs in Mexico were hired to run the restaurants at Casa de la Playa. It really is like an upgraded brand and upgraded experience. All of the rooms have butler service. There's a 24-hour chocolateria, so at 3 in the morning, if you just can't live without your chocolates, you can just hop on over to the chocolateria and eat whatever chocolate you want. So there's a 24-hour mezcal bar where at any time you can go in and grab yourself a drink or grab a bottle of mezcal or tequila. There's a 24-hour bar that's in the lobby that even if there's not a bartender there, again, at 3 in the morning, you just have to make yourself a drink. You can make yourself a drink. You just pop on behind the bar, grab whatever you want, and take it to your room. The entire concept of Casa de la Playa, the beach house, is basically as if you had your own beach house, and so you were going to your beach house for the week or the weekend or whatever it may be, and you have full access to everything in your kitchen or at your bar. There's even a 24-hour wine cellar, so you can go and grab a bottle of wine or sit down and do a wine tasting. So the entire concept there is that you feel very much at home in your own beach house. So the entire experience at Casa de la Playa is very much boutique, luxury, very high-end. All of the food and beverage, of course, still included, but you have a little higher grade of alcohol. So the entire concept of this beach house is built around luxury, boutique, very upscale, having the best of the best of the best food, the best of the best wine, anything that is this luxurious life at your beach house is what's offered at the property. So in the Hotel Xcaret brands, you kind of think of it like tiers. You start with the base tier of Hotel Xcaret Mexico, that family-friendly property, and then the next tier up is Hotel Xcaret Arte, the adults-only brand, and at the very top of that tier is Casa de la Playa. Another thing that they offer is a behind-the-scenes tour of the spectacular show at Xcaret Park. So every night Xcaret Park has this massive performance. It's the largest live performance in Mexico. There's over 300 performers. And so normally, if you're at Hotel Xcaret Mexico or Hotel Xcaret Arte, you can go and watch the show every night. It's really cool. The shuttle will take you over, you sit and watch the show, you go back to the resort. If you're a Casa de la Playa guest, you can go early and they will take you behind the scenes. You'll actually get to meet the performers, see all of the costumes, see the process. It's a really cool experience. And then once that's done, you go and have a wonderful dinner while watching the show right on the base level. So there's just these extra little things that you can't get at the other properties that are very unique, one-of-a-kind experiences. And one of the perks that I really like, it seems like a small deal, but it's wonderful, is that they have private transportation just for Casa de la Playa guests to everything. So if you want to go to Arte, they'll just take you in your private car. If you want to go to Xcaret Park for the day, you go in a private car. You don't wait for a shuttle to show up. You just let your butler know, and they call a car around for you, and they take you wherever you need to go. But every single suite comes with its own pool, so with your own private pool, they can change the temperature for you if you like it warmer or cooler. Every single suite has a 5-ton, so 10,000-pound volcanic tub from Bali on the patio, and so it's like a hot tub, and they'll run the hot tub for you. It's really like nothing else. Wonderful accommodations, fantastic rooms, great service. The food is the best of the best I've ever had in an all-inclusive resort. And not even just like best all-inclusive food, like it's some of the best food I've ever had. The breakfast, even breakfast, is so dang good.